One of the most famous delicacy of Oraynons is called binagol. It is a traditional Filipino delicacy, particularly in Leyte, and of course in other parts of the Visayan region. Binagol is a unique dessert made primarily from talian or giant taro. It also has glutinous rice, coconut milk, margarine, brown sugar, condensed milk, peanut, and egg yolk. Yes, egg yolk lamang po. The mixture of suman or kakanin is placed in a half coconut shell or bagol kung sa mga waray. Binagol is wrapped in banana leaves and tied with string. The wrapped binagol is steamed until cooked, which usually takes about 6 to 8 hours. Yes, ganun po katagal para sigurado na hindi basta-basta mapapanis ang kakaning binagol. Once cooked, binagol is typically served warm or at room temperature. It can be sliced into pieces and enjoyed as a snack or a dessert. Binagol is rich in carbohydrates due to the talian and the glutinous rice and provides a good source of energy. However, it is also high in sugar and should be consumed in moderation, especially for those monitoring their sugar intake. For those who want to try our special binagol, hindi mo na kailangan pang umuwi ng probinsya dahil available na ito dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. Pwedeng-pwede na kayong umorder, available for delivery all areas in Cavite and Metro Manila. To order, direct message our business page, JYMC Food Products. We are also open for resellers. Tara na tikman at sabay-sabay tayong kumita dito sa ipinagmamalaking delicacy ng mga Waray people. Again, our business page is JYMC Food Products. Message us to order.